Alright, first off, I want to say Kal Halalim La, Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahushai, Bahashem, Rakakdash. Double honors to the elders and apostles of Great Millstone. Shalom to the brothers in the highways and byways in this work, in all sincerity and in all honesty. The sisters, believers, the helps. Shalom. Now, this is your brother Yahweh once again. Just want to come out and do a lesson on 5G technology. You see me? So, I just want to go over 5G, what it will partner with or what we use with 5G or what 5G will entwine with for benefit other aspects of technology or basically to fuel a grid or a system. You understand me? And I just hope so that lesson you're edifying and well, let's just get into it. So first thing is, what is 5G, isn't it? So 5G is basically 5G is the fifth generation of wireless communication. Just like how you have 2G, 3G, 4G, now you have 5G, isn't it? Which is the fifth generation of wireless communication technologies supporting cellular data networks. 5G communication requires the use of communication devices, mostly mobile phones, designed to support the technology. So far we have phones that come out with 5G technology. As you have the Samsung Galaxy S20, you have the gaming phones that will just come out since here with the technology. You get me? So mostly a mobile phones. And they have Motorola came out I think a year or 2 years ago with their first 5G phone, and everybody has slowly looked to implement the 5G technology with a lot more of their devices. So you'll have 5G cars, 5G supported homes with a lot of smart devices inside the home. You get me? You'll have a lot of these things, but so far, as the article say, oh, and mostly phones are coming with it, which you have a lot of phones so far, and more to come with this 5G technology or support 5G. You see me? So, what are the benefits of 5G? What the purpose? Why everybody got 5G? Say the advantage of 5G and how it benefits. You see me? You see how the main advantage of 5G are a greater speed in the transmissions, a low latency, and therefore greater capacity of remote execution, a greater number of connected devices, and the possibility of implementing virtual network slices, is providing more adjusted connectivity and concrete needs. So basically, what 5G do is basically you get more speed. So with 4G, 5G is estimated to be way faster than the current generation of the whole world I use now, which well majority of the world I use now, which is 4G. You see me? 5G is supposed to enable you to click on YouTube video, and by the time you click on it, it'll play smooth. You don't have no buffering, no nothing. You see me? You skip, you like where you just skip some part in the video, and it would load little. You just skip and it just runs smooth. As me I watch a YouTuber did go to a state in the US where 5G is just being implemented for try out the technology with a 5G phone, and him say oh incredibly him say oh him a download things like things that take hours for download within seconds, you see me? Movies, games, anything you put towards it, it executes it speedily. You see me? In China you have a surgeon that say oh look him did a do operation and him not do it from an expert in China, and doing it remotely him never have no lag, no latency, nothing. Everything was smooth like real time. You understand me? This is how they praise this type of generation. Fifth This is how they praise the fifth generation, in which it's way better in terms of performance, how much power you get from it, in terms of how much gig how much gigs of power you get from it with data usage. You see me? But the thing is how it could benefit towards society. You understand me? And for understand that, you have a thing called blockchain and more. Getting to blockchain, you see me? So it's a blockchain has potential for 5G network, you see me? And all we know about blockchain. Blockchain is basically a grid in which different companies can communicate with each other. You see me? So digital can communicate with your bank, your grocery store to your bank, or government to digital. You can get your them can get your ID, and by the time them get your ID, quickly them scan to verify if you're a part of government, if you're signed up with the government, or if you're a citizen of that country, if you have no criminal records, all of that thing. You see me? And it will be in a secured network because it's supposed to be once you register on that, you supposed to be on that network where you can see different information about one person. You see me? So more on getting a whole 5G help with blockchain. You see me? As 2019 was the year of blockchain, 2020 is not going to be lesser. It was emerging, and it is going to affect almost all sectors of business um, positively. When we talk about blockchain and 5G altogether, it is essential to understand that the relationship between both the technologies, blockchain with 5G, is expected to do wonders by 2030. And so I'm sorry, and as it is going to connect around 5 million mobile devices, says the report. You see me? So as well, I say, right now, you have mostly cell phones or mobile phones having 5G in the capability, but going further, the manga push for have everything 5G capable. You see me? Self-driving cars, um, smart homes, the whole work. You see me? And blockchain is supposed to help with that. You understand me? Blockchain is supposed to no 5G is supposed to help with blockchain. So you're driving a car and you have issues, you just send over a data. You just send over data, say the car trouble. Or even you having car trouble, you send over the data. The data is sent automatically to a server, and that server is shared with your insurance company. If you make an insurance company know say you're in issues, and then you'll have your insurance company sending out like you have AA service where anyway you call them and them come and assist you if a tire punch upon you or you have engine failure, so them come and them assist you to make you go upon your way. You get me? Things like that. Them will have roadside assistance readily available. Your carriers that send this information if you're meeting the problems. You understand me? And that's how blockchain works. Everybody is connected to that, so it's sent to everybody, and everybody has see what go on. When was the last accident? Who you get me? Things like that. You understand me? And then 5G now this helps in which the data, how fast this data is being transferred, how quickly your insurance or police station is reported that one accident go on. All of these things happening at the same time. You see me? That's how the grid is, and this is how the system is being set up. You understand me? So the next thing I'm going upon for tying to this is it's called RFID microchip. You understand me? In which the whole world is looking to go towards that route, especially in this whole COVID-19 situation. Everybody are look for go wireless, cashless. Everybody are look for go hands free. You see me? No transaction with paper money where me I touch this, you I touch that. Everybody looking to move to a more wireless setting. You understand? I'm more to show you how all of this ties in with blockchain, and all of this ties in with the whole 5G thing. 'Cause we know how 5G helps blockchain with data being transferred at a high speed, high rate. You see me? And now we want to look how the RFID is benefiting from both these systems. So let's say long checkout lines at the grocery store are one of the biggest complaints about the shopping experience. Soon, these lines could disappear when the ubiquitous Universal Product Code (UPC) barcode is replaced by smart labels, also called radio frequency identification (RFID) tags. RFID tags are integrated. Sorry. RFID tags are intelligent barcodes that can talk to a network system to track every product that you put on your shopping cart. You see? Imagine going to the grocery store, filling up your cart, and walking right to the door. No longer will you have to wait as someone rings up each items